Okay, Diaz Lake is by Lone Pine, just south of Lone Pine, and it has not always been a lake. About 150 years ago, roughly, it was basically a wetland, a swamp. There was a seep coming out of the ground, and it just kept that area moist. There was a lot of cattails and stuff like that. Then in 1872, there was a major earthquake in the area, and the Lake Diaz Lake actually is how they pronounce it or say it, dropped about 20 feet. And because of that lower depression now the seep filled up and the springs filled up that lake. Now it's about a 60 to 80 acre lake. Not very deep, but it is a natural lake. It kind of doesn't look like it driving by on Highway 395. It looks like someone dug a hole and filled it with water, but it is a natural lake. And the lake was named after the Diaz family, which settled that area, I don't know, 1860s or something like that. And they tried to provide crops and food for the mines in the area. So that's basically the history of Diaz Lake. To me, it's fascinating that it's a natural lake.